Hi, I'm Bryce with Liberty Homes. Today we're going to talk about a quick tip for maintaining any caulking in your home that's up against a backsplash or a countertop. Commonly, especially in new homes where you might have expanding and contracting of walls, you'll have a little separation between, in this case, you can see the countertop and the tile backsplash. Even if there's a stone backsplash in your kitchen or bathroom or a tile backsplash, wherever it's connecting to your wall, you could potentially have a little separation there from where that caulking is filling that gap over time. Okay, so let's get you a close-up on your countertop backsplash, the joint that's going to be there between your caulk or your silicone. In this case, this is sanded caulk that's being used to try and match the grout that's in this tile backsplash. So whether you have your quartz, granite, or even a laminate countertop in your kitchen, bathroom, any location in your home, there's going to be at some point where that backsplash of the stone, the laminate, or in this, the tile, is going to have a joint next to the wall. And once it separates or has a little crack in it, then you're going to want to take a knife or a putty knife or something that you can actually gently scrape the caulk or silicone, or in this case is this sanded caulk, out of the joint. Because you want to clear it out all completely so you can start over fresh again. And then reapply your new caulking along the edge there and clean it off real nice so that you'll have a smooth, clean look on your countertop. And then you'll be as good as new. Thanks for watching.